Greetings everybody, it's Pint Please Christmas calendar and today is Tuesday 12th day. And we're gonna open another bottle from our beautiful Christmas calendar.
Alright.
Julle, number 12. Can
Where is it? Oh, it's over here.
Okay.
I get it over.
And today in Finland it's gonna be quite a big snowstorm.
Yeah, it's gonna be blizzard.
Yeah, so it's gonna look quite nice after that. And, what beer is it?
Knockneo.
Okay.
So it's a Norwegian beer.
Okay.
Belgian quadruple. I think I actually tasted this beer in Anuga in Germany. There's a beer festival.
Okay.
I tasted there actually from Knockneo's.
Which beer was it?
I think the same beer.
So you have tasted.
I think that was the same beer.
Okay, so you should have that in Pint Please.
Yes, luckily I have the app to remember.
Yeah. Because otherwise you cannot remember all the hundreds and or thousands of beers that you have.
Is it good? Yes.
Yeah. No school loves it.
Approves.
And how strong was this?
10 ABV.
10 ABV. Okay, so this
pretty
is
strong.
this is like a morning, like 9 o'clock this morning. So let's have a.
Well, it's good for the snowy day inside because you cannot really go outside.
Yeah,
Really
this is
good for
great for us. Yes. Okay, hey, let's
Cheers,
have a taste. I like it. It's kind of
really sweet.
Yeah, it's kind of like fruity.
It is.
Yeah.
It sounds like a wine taste.
Yeah. I'd say that this is when it's blizzarding outside, snow is coming, and you're sitting next to the fireplace. So maybe
Yeah,
this
it's a great beer for that.
Yeah.
Shall we check the rating?
Yeah.
But the rating is 3.49.
Okay.
Which is pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, snow is coming, and I guess in New York it has been
Snowy also. Yeah.
storming also, and
And also it's snowing in the UK.
okay. So hey, cheers, and see you
Cheers.
guys tomorrow.